Do you know not all animals and forests are in the same condition? Introduction. Forest and wildlife are classified based on their status. Wildlife is divided into different categories. Some animals are common, while others are rare or in danger. Forests can also be classified into different types based on ownership and protection. Normal species are those whose population levels are considered stable and are not currently facing any significant threat. These animals can be commonly found in their natural habitats. Endangered species are animals or plants that are at a very high risk of extinction in the near future. Their numbers have dropped so low that urgent conservation is needed to save them. Vulnerable species are those animals or plants that may become endangered unless the circumstances threatening their survival and reproduction improve. Rare species are those with very small populations and are usually found only in limited areas. These species are not necessarily endangered or vulnerable, but could become so in the future. Endemic species are animals or plants found only in one particular region and nowhere else in the world. They are unique to their location and often at risk due to their limited range. Extinct species are those that no longer exist anywhere on Earth. Once a species has gone extinct, it is lost forever, which is why conservation is important. Forests are also classified based on ownership and level of protection provided by the authorities. These classifications help in deciding how the forests are managed. Reserve forests are highly protected forests where most activities like grazing and collection of timber are banned. The government manages these areas strictly to conserve wildlife and resources. Protected forests are also under government protection, but certain activities may be allowed, such as grazing or collecting firewood with permission. These forests have some use restrictions. Unclassed forests are those that do not fall under the reserved or protected categories. These forests are managed by local communities or the government and are less strictly controlled. This classification of wildlife and forests helps in organizing conservation efforts. By knowing which species and forests need the most protection, better laws and management can be created. It helps protect endangered species and preserves biodiversity. Conservation measures can be planned and applied where they are needed most, ensuring a balanced environment for the future. Classification is important for conservation. It helps in proper management of forests and wildlife by setting priorities and guiding actions to protect them. Quick revision. Wildlife categories include normal, endangered, vulnerable, rare, endemic, and extinct species. Forest types include reserved, protected, and unclassed forests. Endangered species and reserved forests are especially important. Exam questions and answers. Question 1. What are endangered species? Answer. Species that are in danger of extinction. Question 2. What are reserved forests? Answer. Forests that are highly protected by the government. Closing. Next, we will learn about endangered and extinct species. Stay tuned for more information about their characteristics and the importance of conservation.